Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Sydney and this is my channel, Sid Smarties. So this week for my school, it's spring break, and this year for spring break our family is going to Hawaii and I am so excited. This will actually be my first time going and I'm so pumped. I'm so excited. So we leave to go on Wednesday, and currently it's Sunday, and I know that's like way in advance to start packing for the trip, but I'm gonna be spending like majority of Monday and Tuesday at my friend's house. I'm going to her house Monday morning, and we're gonna have a Marvel movie marathon. So I'm gonna be gone pretty much all Monday, and then I'm staying the night to Tuesday, so I'm gonna have like no time. So I'm starting like way early so that way I don't have to stress about it. But I mean, I'm not gonna like pack stuff because I still need to use a lot of stuff, but I pretty much am just gonna like start setting stuff out on my floor so I can just easily put it in a suitcase. And I'm gonna kind of take you guys through the whole like process, take you guys through my whole packing process. And actually this is the first time I've like flown on a plane in like forever, so I wouldn't like take all my tips because they might not completely be accurate, but I'm pretty much just going to take you guys through my packing process. So let's do this. So first of all, when I'm packing, I really like to, no matter where I'm going, I like to write out a list so I know I feel like it's easier to see what I need to bring, and so I don't forget stuff if I can see what I'm bringing. So I always like to make a list so I can kind of cross stuff off. And I've actually had a list for quite a while because I've been really anticipating this. And so here's my list. I think I need to add a few things, but pretty much I was super excited about it, so I have already had this for a couple weeks. But I think I'm just gonna add a few things to it real fast, and then I currently have my laundry being washed. I think it should be done soon though, because I feel like if you have your laundry done and all your clothes are clean, it gives you a lot more of a variety to choose from of what you can like bring on the trip. So I'm gonna go grab those. I'm gonna fix my list and then I'll get back to y'all. Alright y'all, so I just went and talked with my parents, and they had some things that I could add, so all the pink is like new stuff. But I think I pretty much have like my full list ready, so I think I'm good to start setting stuff out. So let's do this. Alright guys, so I just kind of finished setting up a whole like small little pile of clothes that I'm going to be taking. I think because there's so many things that I can't really pack yet or set out yet that I still need, I'm going to write another separate list that's just for like last minute stuff that I am going to need for the trip. So I think I'm going to do that, and then I think I'm going to be good for today at least, and then Wednesday we don't leave till like 4, so I still have like time Wednesday to pack everything up, get everything all the last minute things in, pack all of them up, and I think, and then off to Hawaii. So I will see you guys probably Wednesday. Alright, you guys, so it is currently Tuesday evening. I am probably gonna get to bed soon, but before I get to bed, I wanted to kind of get some things packed at least. I'm sharing a suitcase with my sister, so we don't have to have that many suitcases on the plane. And so I think I'm gonna save my packing till tomorrow because she's not fully packed yet. So I think for as of now, I am going to put my like plane activities and plane stuff in a backpack so I can just put it under my chair on the plane. So I'm gonna do that real fast. Alright, y'all, so I just cleaned out my school backpack. I'm just gonna use this backpack because why not, you know? So I'm just gonna fill because I have like pens and a clipboard with paper and stuff. I'm pretty much just gonna fill that stuff in that I'm gonna want on the plane in my backpack, and then I think that's all I'm gonna do for tonight. Yeah, so let's do it. Alright guys, so I just packed all of my stuff in my backpack that I'm going to bring on the plane tomorrow. I think I'm going to go start getting ready for bed because it's kind of late. And then after I'm done getting ready, I think I'll grab some things from the bathroom, like my toothpaste and face stuff that I need to use for tonight. I think I'm going to bring, after I'm done using it, I'm going to bring in here so we can have those stuff in here. And then I think I'm just gonna be good for the day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. I literally just woke up, and I'm gonna quickly put everything into this whole pile of clothes right here. I'm gonna quickly put into my suitcase, so let's do it. Yeah, so now it's time to put all of this into this suitcase. Alright guys, after a couple minutes I was able to fit all my stuff in here. If you can see that. There, see, so this stuff over here is my sister's, this stuff is mine. So we were both able to fit into one suitcase, which is nice. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are the best, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.